up and welcome to today's video. I did not film an intro for this video just because, long story short, I filmed last weekend and I filmed way too much stuff for one video. So if you want to see the first portion of this video, you can check out my most recent upload. But I did a lot of other fun things that weekend and I made sure to vlog all of it. So that's what you guys will be seeing in the rest of today's little vlog. Thank you guys so much for joining and I hope that you enjoy this video. Hi friends, I am back home. I got home a couple hours ago. I cooked some dinner. I talked to one of my housemates for a little while and just ate and kind of unpacked my groceries, just chilled at home. I am pretty behind on my schoolwork. Actually, that's not even true. I'm trying not to push all of my schoolwork off until Sunday. I was working on a couple assignments and then I just washed up. The best part of the night, as you can tell, I'm all cozy in my red shirt. I took this out from some random bin of my childhood clothes and I'm so happy I did because this is my first concert and has a special place in my heart, and I'm glad that I still fit the shirt so that I can wear it as my PJ shirt. But as for today, it was really nice just to, I don't know, kind of have a chill day where I wasn't just, at school all day. We just got a nice little, we didn't even really get brunch. We kind of just tried some pastries, but they were good. Got boba, which I've been craving so much. I used to say I wasn't a big boba person, but some switch just flipped for me and now I crave it all the time. So we got boba, we walked around Home Goods. We ended up going grocery shopping together, which is such an adulting friendship activity, but I love grocery shopping. More specifically, we went to H Mart, so I got all of the essentials, all the instant ramen, all the banana milk that I've been craving to stock me up for the rest of the semester. After I finish off all my assignments, I'm gonna call Alex, and we've been watching The Ultimatum. We just like watching reality TV together. There's something so entertaining about it, and we are almost done with this season. This is the first time that I've watched The Ultimatum because I used to be strictly a bachelorette girly and watch it with my mom. But since Alex and I started dating, we've watched a lot of different reality TV shows and they're pretty bingeable is all I'm gonna say. So I think we're gonna finish the season tonight. That's pretty much all my plans for today. That's how I like it. But I will see you guys tomorrow. Hi friends and good morning. It is Sunday. I've been up for a little while now. I watched church online and I've just been having a very nice slow Sunday morning, but I also have some fun plans for today. One of my housemates and I have been dying to go to this place we've seen on TikTok. I know, so Gen Z, so easily influenced, but it's less than an hour away from us. It's called Brooklyn Charm and they have this super cute necklaces. Like if you've seen the videos, okay, I hope I'm not being too specific, but if you've been seeing the charm videos of people in New York getting DIY, I guess, you get to pick out your own charms and make your own charm necklace, and they're just so cute. And there's one that is pretty close to us, so that is the mission today. We're getting cute charm jewelry. I want a necklace, to be specific. But I also just wanted to check in with you guys, and I wanted to show you my outfit. I'm not gonna lie, I'm really proud of it. I got this shirt recently when I was in San Diego, and we like thrifted a lot during our 2-year anniversary, and I just love this top. I love it. Like all the bows, this like print, I don't know. You know I'm a sucker for a white top also. And then I also wanted to show you guys, I just finished this crochet bag. It was inspired from this photo that I saw on Pinterest, like everything else in my life, but I just love how this turned out. I feel like it is like pretty durable because I also put like a zipper on it and I lined it. I'm holding this so poorly, but I lined it with fabric. If you can see, this pretty like heavy duty zipper, so it can actually like carry a lot, which is so nice because that was one of the big issues with the other bags that I've crocheted in the past. But I'm taking her out for the first time today, and I'm so excited to use her because it's a nice little like pop of color. But I will update you guys once we get to the jewelry store, and hopefully we have a successful mission. Okay, just not that anybody asked, but this is the rest of the outfit. I'm just wearing these little bit looser jeans that I thrifted, jean shorts. I wear them all the time. And then I'm gonna be wearing these same black Princess Polly booties that I wear all the time. They really elevate a fit. But this is the outfit, and I'll see you guys at the jewelry store.
There's so many. Look in the water. Do you see it in the water?
Yeah.
But we have no. Just make sure you guys 4 or 5 charms.
I like that one a lot. Don't know. Like that one, or like a this one is, what am I pointing at? the green.
Okay, green is my favorite color. I love scuba diving. Is that my mom's initial?
Washington.
Oh yeah, Washington, my mom's initial. Pin for me, my dad's initial, and bananas.
Wait, I don't know my order at all.
Okay, it starts off with Washington.
What?
Washington, obviously.
And then the flower.
This one I just thought was pretty, I'm not gonna lie. I like flowers too. This one, Locke.
Locke.
That wasn't even why. I just thought it was pretty.
Melanie Locke.
Melanie Locke. More flowers. I like flowers. And it's like ceramic. It's like crafts.
It's so cute.
This one, A, for Alex. This one, okay, this
Your
is a
hair's-
cute little ring.
It's
It's
really
a
cute.
mini ring. It's
Oh
like
my
a little
gosh.
thing. And this one is a green gem because I like green.
So good. So
I
good.
love them. It's so cute.
You can screenshot this, but it looks really good.
Hey friends, so we're clearly back home. It was such a successful trip. Showed you guys a little bit, but this is my necklace and I just love it so much. I'm telling you, it is so difficult when you go there because I told myself I was gonna get 5 charms, but when you just see, like, I swear they have hundreds of charms, I just couldn't contain myself and I ended up with a full stack necklace of 7 charms. But I absolutely love it, and my friend and I were talking about girl math and how when you think of jewelry that you consistently wear, it's like you divide it by the amount of times you wear it. So basically you're just paying like 10 cents a day. Over time, your necklace pays for itself. I don't make the rules, guys, but I got home. I'm clearly in my comfy clothes already, and honestly, guys, the rest of this day is set apart for me to finally do my homework. So I guess I'm gonna do that. Hopefully I get everything done so I can have some time to myself for some Sunday night crafting. I did want to show you guys this. I made that other bag, this one that I showed you guys, and I love that one, and I already started on the next purse that I'm making. It is almost done. It's much smaller. It's like very much a mini bag. It's just not connected here yet, but I added these little like metal parts, which I don't know, like it doesn't really have any practical sense, but I think it looks cute. Anyways, it's just this tiny little white knit mini purse. I'm gonna add a zipper again for this one. I think I'm gonna add a little like star in the middle based on another Pinterest photo that I saw. And then the cutest part, I'm gonna tie some little bows on here, and I got some ribbon. So that's gonna be the final touch. I think it's actually possible for me to finish this tonight, but we'll see what happens. So it is a bit later now. I have honestly just been doing homework for the past couple of hours, but I just wanted to hop on here and end off the video. Thank you guys so much for joining me on this little weekend in just my college life, where I got to do some fun things, but you know, of course, there's a good balance of studying in there. Thank you guys so much for joining me, and be sure to comment below and let me know what other kind of videos you want to see and what you would like to see in my college life or just life in general, and update me also. I would love to chat with you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye guys.